I'm Heather Reitz with ProMariner. I'd like to introduce a solution for providing a convenient way to plug in your onboard charger that is simple to install. ProMariner's Universal AC Plug Holder. It can be installed either as a cord holder or inlet with no cutting or stripping of the wire. Cutting off the plug and wiring to a traditional inlet not only voids the UL listing, it also creates another connection that can fail. Ease of use, safety, and quick installation inspire the design of ProMariner's Universal AC Plug Holder. These plug holders have a weather-tight design and can be used in 3 different configurations. The included plug clamp insert, when used with ProMariner and guest chargers, configures the plug holder as an AC inlet, which securely holds the plug in place. Another great thing about this cool new product is for guest 28106 and 28210 chargers, the Universal AC Plug Holder will securely hold the Connect Charge plug as an inlet. Another option to the Universal Plug Holder is to store the plug in the housing, allowing the AC cable to be pulled out for an open air connection. This will work with most any AC power cord. The Universal AC Plug Holder provides an easy to install, weather-tight access for factory molded power cords. It comes in white and black colors and can be used with any ProMariner, Guest, or Marinko charger on applications such as Thank you for learning more about our Universal AC Plug Holder. For more information, visit ProMariner.com.